Welcome to Nolensville, Tennessee, where today we'll be checking out 4524 Sawmill Place. Step inside this Jones Company home, and just to your right is the 12 by 12 formal living room with wood floor, crown molding, and chandelier. Just down the hall is the 19 by 17 foot great room. It continues the wood flooring, but adds in a gas fireplace and built-in bookshelves. The 19 by 11 foot kitchen has an island, wood floor, stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry. Also on the main level is the 15 by 14 master bedroom. In here there's a tray ceiling and a master bathroom suite you'll love. It features separate his and hers vanities, a tile floor, separate shower and garden tub, and a walk-in closet. The heart of the upstairs is this bonus room, checking in at an impressive 19 by 17 feet. Bedroom 2 is 14 by 13 feet with a walk-in closet. Adjacent to it is the upstairs full bathroom, which divides bedroom 2 from bedroom 3 that measures 14 by 13 feet. Nearby is bedroom 4, a 12 by 12 foot room with another large closet. And then you're in the flex room, which can also be used as a fifth bedroom. It's 19 by 14 feet with a large walk-in closet. Off the kitchen is the 16 by 14 foot screened-in porch. You'll love the Trex composite decking and beadboard ceiling. There's a patio with room for your grill and outdoor dining set, and a marvelous backyard with mature trees that back up to common area. Come check out the beautiful 4524 Sawmill Place in Nolensville's Bent Creek neighborhood before it's gone. To schedule a showing, call my mobile phone at 615-500-6393 or email me at flint@homesaroundnashville.com. And don't forget to visit my website, nolensvillerealty.com, your source for Nolensville real estate.